Hey, welcome to Academic. Let's get started. Amazon ships over 1,100 orders every single minute. Now imagine one system fails. Just one. A package is late, the customer's frustrated, and next time, they order from someone else. That's how fast businesses lose customers. So how does Amazon keep it all running, minute after minute, without falling apart? That's where performance management comes in. Performance management is how a business makes sure it hits its goals, effectively, doing the right things, and efficiently, doing them well, without wasting time or money. You set a goal, you track what's working, you fix what isn't, then you improve. And businesses that master it, they don't just survive, they grow. Think about Domino's. They promised 30 minutes or free. Bold, right? But if they didn't track delivery times, they'd be giving away pizzas for free every day. Performance management is what made that promise possible and profitable. Every business starts here. What's the goal? McDonald's, for example, might aim to serve every customer in under 2 minutes. It's specific, it's measurable, and it gives the team something clear to aim for. Next, what needs to go right to hit that goal? That's called a critical success factor, or CSF. For McDonald's, one CSF might be efficient kitchen operations. Now we ask, how do we measure that? That's your KPI, key performance indicator, like average time to prep an order. Let's say that prep time jumps from 90 seconds to 3 minutes. Now they know there's a problem and exactly where to look. So here's what performance management might look like inside McDonald's. Goal, serve in under 2 minutes. CSF, efficient kitchen operations. KPI, average prep time. Reward, bonus for top-performing crews. It's a loop. You aim, you measure, you fix, you reward, and the cycle keeps going. Rewards matter. People stay focused when they know their work is valued. If a crew consistently hits their speed targets, McDonald's might give them a $50 bonus at the end of the month. Simple, clear, effective. You hit the target, you get rewarded. All right, quick recap. Performance management means you know your target, measure what matters, reward what works. That's how businesses stay sharp. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.